Hey dudes, real quick video. My phone's dying. I'm trying to do it. Just get it done and get it out there. First day in the books. If you want to check me out on myfitnesspal, go ahead, look up Van Normus. And one of the things in that is sharing your stuff. I'm going to show you how to share your stuff right here. Okay, here we go. All you have to do is go to diary. Right here up on diary, you click here, diary settings, scroll down to diary sharing, friends. So if you want to share with me, you have to be my friend. It normally will be set to private, but you just change it right here to friends. And you are good to go, my friend. I marked some of my calories down today. This morning I woke up, I took a picture of myself, just a picture of myself, nothing crazy. It's on MyFitPal. I don't know if they show you that, but took a picture of myself. I'm not naked or anything, just pull my shirt in tight so I can see my belly hanging out. Take a picture. Did I say I took a picture? Because I took a picture. Weighed myself 344, so I'm down 1.2 pounds from yesterday. I don't suggest you weigh yourself every day. I suggest you weigh yourself once a week. That way you can kind of see the changes. Also in that picture, you'll see your changes better if you're
naked,
clothesless, I guess. But I just don't like looking at myself clothesless. But I took my calories down. I didn't hit my calories for the day. I thought I would easily, but I guess I didn't. I need to eat a little more fast food. I don't know. I ate some junk, a couple cinnamon rolls. I ate a little too much ketchup because I had a problem with my scale not working, which that's what happens in the first week. We have problems with our scales not working, problem with our stuff not working, and we learn that we need to use tablespoons and teaspoons to measure our food rather than using a scale, because our scale is from Walmart and it's not really that great. I did have some problem with some ketchup weighing on the scale, but I just used a tablespoon and I ate too much ketchup. So I probably did eat a little more calories today than I marked down, but not too many more, maybe a tablespoon more of ketchup. Check me out tomorrow. We're going to work on this MyFitnessPal stuff. We're going to get that all in the books. Follow me on MyFitnessPal. Let me follow you and I'll check your stuff out too. And we can do this together, and I'll see you in the next video.